In this video, Bitcoin is right now forming a much bigger bearish pattern. But the question is, what is our next trade going to be? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, welcome back to another Gaps cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, it's been a while since I made a video. I've been busy then outside of the crypto industry. I've been busy at sa Miata Club Philippines, and I've been pretty much active doon. So, hindi ako nakapag-post within the past few days. And also, nag-recover din ako kasi of course, nagkaroon ako ng sakit din. But, yeah, right now, I'm feeling much better. But, yeah, let's now discuss dito yung next move ni Bitcoin, and that is this potential na bearish pattern na nag-form, which is if you are going to plot this resistance line dito, as well as a support line down below, dito, you will find na right now we are starting to form a bear flag. And as you can see, a rising wedge or a bear flag is a bearish pattern to the downside. So you can get the height of this nitong bear flag, then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. You will find na Bitcoin is more likely going to go down to the 52,000 US dollars. And if you're going to look at this in our other charts dito, 52,000 US dollars is actually one of the support areas, major support areas dito ni Bitcoin. And if you're going to plot nga din dito, this bear flag nga na to, and then lagay nyo sa possible point of breakout, you will find na it's exactly going to go back to the 53,000, 52 to 53,000. Siguro, let's be more conservative dito, 53,700 or 54,000 para mas okay na. So, 54,000 is going to be the target nito, but right now, as you can see, this is in the 4-hour time frame, and I don't expect this to play out immediately. I think this is going to play out siguro within the upcoming days. But with that being said, ano yung magiging trades natin dito? So, as you can see dito sa bear flag na to, there are two ways how we are going to trade this. Number one is the rising wedge. So, if magkaroon tayo ng bearish breakout dito, ang unang target natin is going to be the bottom of the wedge, which is the 62,900 US dollars. Or siguro pwede mo sabihin 63,000 US dollars. Kasi if magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, I am going to open a short-term short position targeting 63,000 US dollars for the very short term. But partial take profit lang gagawin ko doon. And then yung final take profit ko is going to be the 54,000 US dollars, roughly around this area. Now, meron din ako, 'di ba, isa pang trade na long-term short position ko. It is currently still open, and 'di ba initially, ang take profit area ko is at the 60,000 US dollars. Right now, I am going to adjust that to 54,000 US dollars following this potential move na nakikita natin. So 54,000 US dollars is going to be my final take profit for my long-term short position. So that is a very, very big trade, and of course, we have opened that since 114,000 US dollars. So finally, we are about to close our long-term short position. So yeah, right now, those are the crucial things na I am going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. And right now, I'm also going to start a new YouTube channel for my Miata series. Kasi of course, also big announcement then, I am also going to join sa Miata Cup series here sa Philippines. So we will have a total of 8 races. So ayun, I will be documenting my journey all throughout, yung preparations doon, lahat ng mga steps ko para mag-prepare sa Miata Cup. Gagawa ko sila lahat ng video, and you can find that in the description down below, yung channel na yun. But yeah, let's go back to crypto, and as you can see, yan yung magiging trade natin, and I am still trading my long-term position kay Bybit. So if you currently have an account with Bybit, make sure to trade kay Bybit Kasi of course, mas okay dun yung mga long-term trades. Pero if wala pa kayo account dun, make sure to trade with Mexi or Wix. All of those sign-up links are available, guys, in the description down below. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.